Welcome! If you want to stay on top of your Instagram activity and never miss when someone accepts your follow request, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on accepted follow request notifications on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. This way, you'll always know when your follow requests get approved, making it easier to connect and keep up with your friends, favorite creators, or anyone you're interested in following. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. Tap on that. From the menu that pops up, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage everything related to your account, privacy, and notifications. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications. This is where you control what Instagram lets you know about, from likes and comments to new followers and more. Next, tap on Following and Followers. Here, you'll find all the settings related to your interactions with other users, including follow requests. Look for the option labeled Accepted Follow Requests. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when someone accepts your follow request. Tap on it, and you'll see a few options. To make sure you receive notifications, select On. That's it. You've now enabled Accepted Follow Request notifications. From now on, whenever someone you've requested to follow approves your request, you'll get a notification right away. Keeping these notifications enabled helps you stay engaged and makes it easier to interact with new connections as soon as they accept you. If you ever want to turn these notifications off, just follow the same steps and select Off instead. Thanks for watching.